Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry wala and Surya Anand teaching. Today we are going to discuss the topic metal and non-metal. These are the topic chemical properties of metal. We are reading the chemical properties of metals. So, my dear student, we are going to read the topic chemical properties of metals. Chemical, we are going to read the chemical properties of metal. We already discussed of metal react with oxygen to form metal oxides. And after that, we also read the natures of metals oxide. After that, we read in physical properties of metals the reaction of metals with water. Now we are going to read the third topic of the reaction of metals with acids. So my dear student, many metal displaces hydrogen from dilute acids such as dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid. Thus, when an active metal, like the active metal, reacts within a dilute acid, hydrogen gas is formed, or hydrogen gas is evolved, and corresponding salts is formed. Related to the salt is formed. Suppose that many metal displaces hydrogen from dilute acids such as dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid. Lots of metal displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, lots of dilute acid and sulfuric acid. But when a active metal react with a dilute acid, it evolves hydrogen and corresponding salt is formed. The salt is formed. Like that, when metals react with dilute acid, it gives metal salt and hydrogen. So the reactivity of metal is judged by we can know the evolution of colorless gas bubbles of hydrogen. The reactivity of metal is depend on the evolution of colorless bubbles of hydrogen. The gas gives a pop-up sound, means pop-up sound with slit split. They may splint also. The reactivity of above metals decrease in the following order. Decrease in the following order. Following order. The magnesium is greater than zinc, zinc is greater than Fe, and Fe is greater than Pb. So notice that copper does not. Copper is the metal that does not react with dilute acid. Copper is not going to react with the dilute acid. So magnesium react with HCl, gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc react with HCl to give ZnCl2 and hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Iron react with HCl, dilute HCl, that gives ferric chloride and hydrogen gas. Lead react with HCl, give lead chloride and hydrogen gas. So these are all about the metals that are active in form. That's why we write here the reactivity of above metals it decrease in the following order. The important thing is that the ability and reactivity of a metal, the ability and reactivity of a metal depends upon to evolve hydrogen from dilute acid. Hydrogen from dilute acid is influenced by its position in the activity series. The hydrogen is going to be evolved or not. The hydrogen is going to be evolved or not. It totally depends upon the position of that proper metal in the activity series. So my dear student, few points also I am going to tell you. Few points also I am going to tell you that what is the reactions of metals with acids. So my dear student, let's now learn something special about that metal. So my dear student, we are reading the reactions of metals with acids. Reactions of metals with acids. The topic is this is the third reactions, physical properties of metal, the reactions of acids with metal. This is the third reaction. First is the metal react with oxygen to give metal oxide, the nature of metal oxide. Second is the reaction of metal with water, you already read. And this is the third topic, metal react with acid. How does a metal react with the acid? So my dear student, try to understand. One, one. जरा सा जाके चाबी से चश्मा निकाल कर लेगा. So this may be the third. This is the third topic of metals react with the acids. Metals react with the acids. Metals react with the acids. That how does a metal react with the acid? Reactions of metals is acid. We already learned that metals react with the oxygen, give metal oxide. Now we are discussing the metal react with the acid. Let's now come to the topic. Next is the metals placed above hydrogen in the activity series. Metal, the topic already I have marked. The metals placed above. Metal placed above hydrogen in the activity series, above hydrogen in the activity series, hydrogen in the above hydrogen in the activity series, hydrogen in the metal placed above hydrogen in the activity series, it is going to be above in the activity series, displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid, displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. So my dear student, displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. That is the dilute hydrochloric acid. So my dear student, this displaces the metals placed above hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid to dilute acid to evolve hydrogen gas and form the corresponding salt. Hydrogen gas and form the corresponding salts. So my dear student, this is all about the thing. Next is the next important point, metal placed below hydrogen in the activity series. Metal placed below hydrogen in the activity series, hydrogen in the activity series, such as copper, silver, gold, platinum, silver, gold Au, platinum, etc. Gold Au and platinum Pt, etc. do not evolve hydrogen from dilute acid. Do not evolve hydrogen from dilute acid. So this is the also important point. Now my dear student, hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal react with, next point, hydrogen gas is not evolved, gas is not evolved when a when a when a metal react with nitric acid, when a metal react with nitric acid, that is HNO3, that is HNO3. It is because nitric acid is a strong, it is because HNO3 is a strong, HNO3 is a strong acid, strong oxidizing agent, and it oxidizes the strong oxidizing agent, and it oxidizes the S2, and it oxidizes the S2 formed, and it oxidizes the S2 hydrogen gas formed into water and itself, formed into water and itself formed into water and itself get reduced to any of the oxides of nitrogen, that may be oxides of nitrogen is N2O, NO, N2O, NO, or NO2. So for example, we are taking the example also, for example, let's take the example Zn plus 2HNO3, Zn plus 2HNO3, okay, it react to give ZnNO3 whole 2, ZnNO3 whole 2 plus S2, ZnNO3 whole 2, ZnNO3 whole 2, सुमन यहाँ वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, जाओ ना, ZnNO3 whole 2 plus 2H, क्या होगा, plus 2H, ZnNO3 whole 2 plus 2H. So my dear student, it is going to be ZnNO3 whole 2 plus 2H. Next reaction is HNO3 plus H. Is it okay? That is going to react to give H2O plus NO2, H2O plus NO2 into 2. So if we are going to compile this reaction, we get Zn plus 4HNO3, that it gives the reaction, that is ZNO3 whole 2 plus S2, 2H2O plus 2H2O plus 2NO2. That is the reaction. So that is the reaction that is going to be complete. So my dear student, it must clear in your mind that metal placed above hydrogen, before hydrogen, in the activity series displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid to dilute acid to evolve hydrogen gas and form the corresponding salts. This is okay. After that, metals like